Everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I'm going to show you how I made this really cute little Easter. You can use this as a wall hanging. I didn't finish the back of it, but if you finish the back with the reindeer moss too, you could put it in a pot and make it a topiary. That would be really cute. But I'm just going to hang mine on the wall. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I made it. For this project, we're going to use this little bunny wall hanging with a tinsel on it. Some of these foam eggs, the reindeer moss. I've got 3 bags, but I don't think we're going to use all 3 bags. Glue sticks, of course, your glue guns, some scissors, and I have some pretty Easter or spring type ribbon. So we're going to use that too. Okay, the idea for this wreath or wall hanging, whichever way you want to use it, was not mine. I got this idea. I watched a little bit of Calm and Crazy. I think that's her name. I'll put a link to her video down below. And she did actually one of these using the same method I'm going to use, but she just used the little bunny head. But I thought it would be cute if we just did the whole wreath out of it. And she took the tinsel off. I'm going to leave the tinsel on as a base and just cover it with the reindeer moss. So, I've got my hot glue gun, and I'm going to use my little Mod Podge glue gun fingers because this is going to be a lot of glue, because we're going to take the reindeer moss and kind of just cover this whole thing, and we're going to trim it as we go along, okay? So I'm just going to do a little bit, and then I'm going to speed the video up so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. my bunny all covered in the reindeer moss, and it does need a little more trimming, but I'm going to go ahead and take my ribbon and I'm just going to tie a bow around his neck, and then we're going to decorate him with some of the little foam eggs. And I'm just going to do just a simple shoestring bow, shoelace bow. This ribbon is a little bit tricky because it is not double-sided, so I'm trying to keep my colors to the front. And we're going to add a few of our little foam eggs. Now they have these little hangers on them. I'm just going to see what's the best way to get these out. I don't know if I should pull these out. No, I'm going to just trim them really close. Yeah. And then we're just going to put a few of these around, I think just on the bottom, and see how they look. My finished bunny, and off camera I did go back and add him a little cottontail with just a cotton ball. I think that kind of finished him off good. But anyway, that's my Easter bunny. If y'all make one, let me see it. If y'all have a different take on it, and if you do one with removing the tinsel, I'd love to see that too. I just thought that made a better base for it, and it was something to hold on to. One thing that I would suggest that you don't do that that you do that I didn't do was the white tinsel on it. If you're going to trim that, trim it before you start doing your reindeer moss, because I did get some pieces kind of mixed in with my moss when I was gluing it on, but it doesn't matter. It just adds a little glitz and shine to it. But anyway, remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Thanks for watching, and remember, hit that little subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I sure would love it. Thanks, y'all. Bye.